Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2020 Skoda Kamiq SE. This car comes with the 1 litre petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 113 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 46 miles to the gallon. A low insurance group of 11, and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 28,000 miles and comes with full service history from Skoda. This particular colour is the metallic moon white and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, the theme continues. So you've got the nice tidy interior. As you can see, the fabric on the seats is in really good condition, with an armrest and 2 cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple CarPlay, DAB radio and Bluetooth. A few other features like I mentioned, the car also has air conditioning, cruise control there on the left hand side of the steering wheel, automatic headlights and wipers, and then on the driver's door card you have your electric mirror and 4 window controls. This particular car has the rare winter pack, which includes the heated front seats and also the heated rear seats, so ideal for the winter months. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own controls for the air vents there in the centre, as well as 2 charging ports and the buttons that I mentioned already for the heated rear seats. Opening the tailgate reveals a nice deep boot there, nice and square as well, with the rear seats that can be split and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you've also got your tyre inflator kit there at the back, as well as lots of extra storage space. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, the 17-inch alloy wheels, and also front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.